Yo, what's good guys, it's Tron here on Drumvault, and I'm going to be previewing my Blue Skies stem kit. It just dropped. It's got 15 loops all with the stems and midis, so you're getting like 100 plus files of loops and midis. So I'm going to preview a few of them, and I've got one set out here I'm going to cook up a beat with, so I'll just let you hear some of them first. So yeah, all the stems with them all midis there. So yeah, I'm going to cook up with this one, Coop. It's at 110 BPM, but I'm going to test out speeding it up. I'm going to try like 135 first. Yeah, that sounds pretty cool. First thing I'm going to do is take out the bass. I put this pattern in. I've got all the midis there, so if I want to add any other melodies. And let's just go in with some drums. I'm going to go with my new Liftoff drum kit. I'll put that in the description as well. And I'm just going to do some sound selection. I'm just going to choose what I think will fit best. Alright, so I picked out this kick. Just a really hard hitting one. This clap. An 808. I'm gonna go with that one, just a nice thick, smooth one. And I'm just gonna start laying shit out. Add a little snare bounce. I'm gonna set an envelope for the open hat so that it stops when the clap hits. Shift D them, Control A, drag them. That's where the clap's gonna hit, so it'll stop there. Pitch it down a little bit. Add in some perks. Set the 808 to cut itself. And then I'm just gonna make a quick pattern. just going to copy over the 808, and this is what I always do for my kicks. If I'm just going to have it copy in the 808, I just copy it over and hit Alt K. Going to add some bounce to the hats. Then I'm going to add in some sort of counter melody for like a breakdown section. So I just opened up Omnisphere and I'm going to be using my Sapphire Bank. I've just picked out this bell just for a counter melody. I'm just going to draw something in. Going to add some sort of mix into it to make it a bit more interesting. I'm just going to arrange it, so I just here split by channel, delete all the sampler MIDI tracks and get everything out. Shift D on these to shorten the notes. Now I'm just going to arrange it quickly, so I'll cut this part out, but let me know in the comments if you want to see arrangement in the future. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the preview, hope you enjoyed the kit. The link's in the description if you want to buy that. It's 15 really high quality loops, all with the stems, all with the midis, so can't really go wrong. And I'll let the beat play out and I'll see you guys next time.